Grup kita orang kena tentang Conic. So grup kita orang ada Syida, Encita, Kila and saya sendiri Syafika. So dalam Conic ni ada 3 subtopik. 3 subtopik tu yang pertama circle. Tajuk ni mudah je kalau faham lah. Tajuk yang kedua ellipse. Dan tajuk ketiga parabola. Dan
okay, now I want to explain about circle. This is circle. This is center of the circle and this is the radius. Okay. There are 5 important things in the circle which are center and radius, equation, tangent equation, intersection, and the length of tangent. Okay. It has standard form and general form, and this is the formula. When we can use the general form to compare the equation. Okay. Example. Example is this. When we compare, kita boleh buat 2G equal to negative 4. G sama dengan negative 2. F sama dengan 6. 2F sama dengan 6. F sama dengan 3. Okay. Bila kita dapat G dengan F, kita boleh cari R. Okay. Seterusnya adalah tangent equation. Kita boleh guna equation ni untuk cari tangent equation. Okay. Circle and line. Kita boleh guna sub method. Okay. Masih ada circle dengan ada line dalam soalan tu. Okay. Seterusnya, kalau ada 2 circle, kita boleh guna center dengan radius dia. Kalau radius tambah radius, boleh tengok kat sini lah. Dia ada macam ni. Circle tu berlapis. Yang ni tak kena langsung. Touch. Circle dengan circle tu touch. Yang ni circle tu dalam circle lagi satu. Okay. Lepas tu kita boleh guna determinant dia juga yang ni untuk yang 2 point dia ada touch dengan no intersection. Okay. Seterusnya ialah length of tangent. Kalau length of tangent kita boleh guna Pythagoras theorem. Okay, itu je.
Okay, ellipse. Shape of ellipse is like this. Okay, general equation is x minus h square over a square plus y minus k square over b square equals to 1. The center is hk. So h will be substituted at here and then k will substitute at here. If a more than b, so the major axis will be x. If b more than a, major axis will be y. To find c, we must use the formula c square equals to a square minus b square if a more than b. If b more than a, we must use c square equals to b square minus a square. If major axis is x axis, the length of major axis will be 2a and for minor axis will be 2b. If major axis is y axis, length of major axis will be 2b and minor axis is 2a. Okay. If major axis is x axis, the center will be hk. The foci is h plus minus ck. Vertices is h plus minus a k. Okay. If major axis is y axis, the center will be hk, foci is hk plus minus c, and vertices is hk plus minus b. This is the shape of ellipse for major axis, y axis. An example for ellipse. Sketch the graph of ellipse. Question is x plus 3 square 9 plus y minus 1 square over 4 equals to 1. The general equation for ellipse is x minus h square over a square plus y minus k square over b square equals to 1. So the center is -3 1. A square equals to 9, so A is 3. B square equals to 4, so B is 2. C square equals to A square minus B square, 9 minus 4. Okay. C is equals to 5. A is more than B, so the shape of ellipse will be like this. Foci is h plus minus ck, so -3 plus minus 5. For vertices, h plus minus ak. So h is -3 plus minus a is 3, k is 1. So b is -6 1 0 1. Now let us sketch the graph of ellipse. Center is -3 1. Vertices -6 1 0 1. F is -3 5 1, -3 plus 5 1. This is the graph of ellipse. This is another example. Sketch the ellipse for equation x minus 1 square over 16 plus y minus 0 square over 25 equals to 1. The general equation for ellipse is x minus h square over a square plus y minus k square over b square equals to 1. So center of ellipse is 1 0. B is more than A, so the shape of ellipse will be like this. A square equals to 16, so A is equals to 4. B square equals to 25, so B is equal to 5. C square is equals to B square minus A square. C is equals to 3. Foci is h, k plus minus c. So h is 1, 0 plus minus 3. -3. For vertices, h, k plus minus b. H is 0, 0. Okay. h is 1, 0 plus minus b is equals to 5. So the v will be 1, 5, 1, negative 5. Now we sketch the graph of ellipse, the shape of ellipse. Okay. The center is 1, 0, vertices 1, 5, 1, negative 5. F is 1, 3, 1, negative 3. So the axis will be like this. This is the shape of ellipse for this equation.
Okay, next is parabola. They have two questions where this is the first question for y-axis and the second equation is for x-axis. So, when the x-axis, the shape will be like this, where the parabola goes to the left or right, left or right, open. So, the equation is y minus k squared equals to 4p times x minus h. So, the vertex given hk and the focus will be h plus p and the k because when y exists, the value that move if the x part. So the density formula is x equals to h minus p. So next to the y-axis, y-axis have two, upward and downward. The equation is x minus h squared equals to 4p y minus h. So the vertex given hk and the focus h constant, then k plus p, it move up. For question for parabola, the question given vertex and focus, so we can write back, can see that this value is exchanged, so we can say that the parabola will lie on the y-axis. The y-axis equation is given like this: x minus h squared equals to 4p times y minus k. So when to find the value of p, we can find using the focus formula, where f h k plus p. So given k plus p equals to 4, k plus p equals to 4, and k is 3. So 3 plus p equals to 4 and p equals to 1. So substitute the value of p and the vertex in the equation. Minus negative 1 squared equals to 4, 1, y minus 3. We get like this. So to sketch the graph using ruler, draw the y-axis. So given vertex, the x value is negative and the y is 3. So we assume that here is negative 1 and 3 is here. 3. This is negative 1. Wait. So V is negative 1, 3. Oh, should be more bawah sikit. Okay. So this is the x-axis. So when we after draw the V, the vertex point. So next is the focus point. So focus point is the y-axis is 4. So so to draw, we must start with the vertex. So become the U shape. So next, to find the directrix, so the formula directrix for y-axis is so just substitute the value 3 minus 1 equals to 2. So 2 is here, dotted line, y equals to 2. Finish.